Kami din may surprise sa'yo.
Uy.
Ayun no.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Nakakatawa yung kandila. Happy birthday. Wait lang, to you. Ang ganda ng kandila, mamahalin. Sperma ba tatak niyan? Okay, Bri, wait lang. Before you blow your candle, what's your wish? You're 20 years old? How old are you today?
I'm 21.
Okay, you're 21
Yes.
now. What's your wish?
Kailangan sabihin.
Oo, syempre. Ano ba naman yan? Nagtanong pa kami.
Di ba pag sinabi mo,
ang mahal kaya ng bili namin dyan. Grabe.
Okay. Wish ko siguro, makita ko yung mommy, daddy ko, kapatid ko sooner rather than later.
Oh, I love the sooner rather than
and
later.
I hope they're doing very well, they're very happy. At yun, I hope to make them proud na rin.
Yun. Happy birthday,
Yun yung wish
Brian!
ko.
birthday, bro!
Happy birthday, Brian Santos! Yay!